You can find a link to play this activity down in the description of this video. This activity helps students create simple sentences with their AAC device. To do this activity, you'll need a computer so the student can see the activity, and you'll need an AAC device. On each slide, you'll see that there is an animated picture and also a script that shows which buttons you're supposed to press to get to the words of the sentence. For this activity, we're using TD Snap Motor Plan 66. So there is a lot of repetition. Look how they have to hit 3 buttons to say running on the elephant one, but they have to pretty much do the same buttons for skipping, and then for jumping, and then for blowing. So you get where that repetition really is helpful. And we're not expecting the students to read right now these words, but that motor planning is what we're going for. So I'm going to pull TD Snap up here. So here's the app TD Snap. So let's see how these work together. So the student is looking at the computer screen and you ask them, who is this? And so we can talk about it's an elephant, and what is he doing? He's running. So let's say that with our device. And so as a teacher, you can go first. So you find the animals button, and looking at the app now, animals is over here. So I'm going to press animals. And now I'm looking for elephant, and it's on the second line. And the next word is. And so we're looking for is. It's a green word, green button. And then we're looking for the action, and all of these words on every one of these slides, the running or the action words all start with this kind of red button, which is down at the bottom here. Actions. And then we go to moving actions, and then we find running.
Running.
And then we listen to the whole thing.
Elephant is running.
And then we encourage a student to say it too. Elephant is running. And then we clear. And then we'll go to the next slide. And what do we have here? We have dog is skipping. And you'll see a lot of the same words that we have to press. Again, that's that motor memory that will kick in. So we do animal, dog, is. And we do that red actions button. And that dog is. And on here, you could say that he's skipping, or maybe he's jumping or running, whatever the student wants to say. Maybe he's moving. But for now, we'll just say skipping. We're going to follow that script.
Skipping.
And then press it so it.
Dog is skipping.
And then encourage a student to repeat that sentence. And then you just keep going, either modeling or letting the student do as much as they can with on all of the slides.